guys, welcome to this video. I'm very excited for yet another 2021 beauty favorites. Every year I film a roundup of all my favorite beauty products that I tried out in the whole year, and I feel like this year I discovered some amazing products that are like my ride or die, and it's definitely going to take me into the new year. It'll be hard to like venture out and try different things. I do a lot of beauty content here on my channel, focusing more on like natural makeup and like acne prone skincare as well. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe to stay tuned for more of my videos coming out this year. So first of all, this is my second tub of this, second or third, I can't even remember. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Cleansing balms have changed my life. If you don't have one, I highly recommend trying out. I literally switched all my friends from using like cleansers and makeup wipes to using this cleansing balm. It takes everything off, even waterproof mascara. So it just makes makeup removal very easy and honestly kind of enjoyable as well, at least for me. I'm a nerd. If you want to check out my skincare routine to see actually how I use this product, definitely do. Honestly, like it's even better than cleansing oils because I feel like it just really melts away and breaks down my makeup. So highly recommend. I kind of have two moisturizer favorites. One of them was the Honest Beauty Hydrogel Cream, I'm pretty sure it's called. It was so lightweight, great for summer, very simple ingredients, and I will be repurchasing it later on in the year, but right now my skin is just so dry. It's not cutting it for me. But I also have been really enjoying this one. Also a nice budget friendly one. Aveeno Common Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. It's a little bit thicker than the Honest Beauty one, but still nice and lightweight, which I prefer with my moisturizers. I just find it less chances of clogging my pores. I actually really love Aveeno. They have very gentle ingredients and I find them very calming with the oat ingredients. And I've gotten a lot of my friends also onto this moisturizer. Almost like their regular lotion consistency, but just more lightweight and gel-like. I used up this oil. I literally can't get any more drops out of it. It's so good. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll repurchase it because of the duty fees. If you live in the States and you really appreciate a nice like bougie oil, I really recommend this. But with Canada, it'd be kind of expensive with the duties because it's already more of an expensive oil, but it's a beautiful formula. My skin just drank it up. This is the Mila Clarity Oil. Beautiful, very minimal packaging and so much good ingredients packed into one oil. If you go on their website, this is like the only product they actually carry and specialize in. There's all the details, ingredients. Yeah, it's just a nice lightweight oil. It's not so heavy and greasy on the skin. I finally found my favorite sunscreen this year. I was just like battling it out with the Supergoop zinc screen and I hated it so much. I'm like, is this the life of a mineral sunscreen user? I can't find something I like. Till I started using this and I actually like enjoy using it. Like my skin looks great. I think my makeup looks good when I use it. This is a Roche Posay Anthelios Mineral Tinted SPF lotion. It's SPF 50. Very lightweight, very liquidy, which I enjoy, but it still gives me like, I would say it's a very like natural finish. Like initially it feels a bit like dewy because it's so runny. But I would say it like blends onto your skin as a nice natural finish. If you've been watching my videos this summer, this will be no surprise. The Supergoop Resetting Powder, it's SPF 45. This has been so handy and it's helped me like reapply sunscreen. This has been great for my parting. I have a very, I don't know if my parting gap is big or not. It always burns. So I got tired of having a greasy scalp constantly or parting with lotion SPS. So I bought this specifically with my parting in mind and it's been a savior. Literally this summer, ever since I started using it, I never got burnt in my parting. I've been really enjoying the Youth to the People Super Clay Purify Clear Power Mask. It has niacinamide, kombucha, BHA. This is the most unique clay mask texture I've ever felt. It makes the experience more enjoyable. It's so like smooth and I found it really did a good job pulling out my impurities. This deodorant, did I discover it this year? I think so, but it's been the best discovery ever. It's like, it's getting low. And this is the Kosas Sport Serene Clean Chemistry HA Serum Deodorant. I really struggle with ingrown hairs in my armpits, so it's just really annoying to shave, and when you shave it doesn't look that good. Until I started using this, I felt more confident in my pits. It has HA in it, so it essentially will exfoliate your underarms to really help brighten up the area and prevent less ingrown hairs as well. So really like this one. I have it in the scent Serene Clean. It's just like, there's like hardly any scent to it. It just smells clean. I'm not the biggest primer fan. I always buy them because they're pretty and they give glow, but I end up using just a lot of skincare prep instead. This one really gave me more coverage to my products, which I really loved. It just gripped on the concealer a little bit better. It also was very hydrating, so it just gave a really nice plump base. And you have that tackiness that gives you more coverage essentially. So I think it's something that's really awesome to have in your collection if you don't have something like this and you want something to help your makeup grip on more. What is a 2021 favorite without my Kosas base combo? This Kosas combo, the Cloud Set powder and then the Kosas concealer, it's just been a dream team. I love it. It gives the most natural skin-like base. It wears so nicely. It doesn't look cakey like you're wearing a lot of makeup. I've gone through like 4 tubes this year because this is all I use under my eyes, on my blemishes. Beautiful powder. Doesn't look heavy, but just like smooths, perfects, and sets. So I'm not going to talk too much about that because if you watch my videos over the past year, this is all I used. I was trying to be good and do like 1 in every category, but I do need to do 2 for bronzer, blush, and highlight. Ilia and CoverFX, I switched between these 2 bronzers the whole year. I love these. The CoverFX, specifically in the summer, it's got a really nice deep color to it and that nice red undertone, which I love in the summer when I have more of a tan. And then it's got the more natural finish and the more glowy finish. It's beautiful. And then the Ilia Drawn In Nightlight Bronzing Powder. It's something I think I would definitely repurchase. It's such an easy bronzer. It goes on very lightly, so you don't have to worry about messing up at all. Of course there's other colors too, but this color specifically, it's just not too much. You give some warmth and dimension to your face, but it's not very obvious that you're wearing a bronzer. So I really like this one as well. I love the nude packaging on this, matches my bedroom. For blush, like my standout blush is the Merit. Like honestly, Merit had some really good standout products for me this year. The Merit Terracotta Cheek Color Blush, so good. I have it on today and I literally have it on every day. It's just the perfect blush, even if you're not wearing bronzer, because it's got so much warmth in it. It just looks so natural. It doesn't look like you're wearing much makeup too. Beautiful, beautiful dewy finish as well. If you're looking for a good cream blush, I definitely recommend the Merit Beauty ones. Specifically the Terracotta because it's the most multi-purpose. I found on days where I didn't want to do so much makeup, skip the bronzer, just put this on. I get the warmth from a bronzer, but also like the brightness from a blush. But I wanted to quickly throw in this one too because this is the one that I used nonstop throughout the summer. This is a Tower 28 Beach Please Golden Hour blush. Brighter orange, but it's still got a little bit more depth in it. This coming summer, I'm definitely gonna go back to this, I know. It just gives that nice brightness to the cheek. The opposite of this one you see the color on your cheek, but it's just so pretty with like an orange lip. I love it. Alright, like standout highlight again is the Merit Beauty Cava Balm. It's so good. I have it on today and like every day. It just gives the most wet dew to your cheeks. It doesn't have a lot of color, like a slight champagne, but it's so, so pretty. Very easy to use. I just tap it on my cheeks. Gives this beautiful like wet luminance. So it's all I could ask for in a highlight, and this is honestly the one that I'm always wanting to use every month. I kind of do a monthly switch up with my makeup, and I always kept this one in my box thing I put it in. 2021 was the eyeliner year for me. I kind of just took a step back from eyeshadow, wasn't really as inspired by it, and I was just going crazy over eyeliner. But at the end of the year, I did buy this lovely palette here. It's the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals Morphe collaboration. It's just got everything you can need in it. It's so pretty. All the mattes. I love this formula and like shimmers as well. Love the packaging of this, and it's actually a good size to fit in makeup bags as well, so that's a really good one. If you're looking for a good, nice, neutral palette. Again, the packaging too, it just goes with the whole aesthetic. But I watched my 2020 beauty favorites, and I still had my Urban Decay Whiskey eyeliner in it, so I was a little bit confused, but I feel like last year I was using, so I don't know, this might be a repeat, but the MAC Eye Kohls Costa, Riche, and Teddy, I don't know where my Teddy wandered off to. They've been my favorite to create wings. Dramatic wings, soft wings. Because of the blendability of this formula, you can really stretch it out far, and it's just really easy to use. Costa Riche, I feel like has been my favorite for the past like 2-3 years, but Teddy has also been one of my favorites this year specifically. So love this formula. If you're looking for a really good, easy, creamy eyeliner formula, this is really good. Makes it really easy to create a wing. Like, I have so many videos from this past year using these, because you can just create your wing and then pull it out with a brush, which just makes it less intimidating as well. And then you can like layer shadow or whatever you want on top. And this is like a reddy, chocolatey brown, and then Teddy's more of a deeper brown with a slight gold kind of shimmer going through. So this is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. So good. It has like the finest tip. So it's really good for creating those brow strokes. I also like this one as a little cheeky eyeliner moment. It's a really soft wing. I have it on today. It kind of just blends in with your mascara because it's so soft and a little bit more faint. And this tip just makes it so easy to do it. So it's kind of a multi-purpose kind of moment there. I have it in my brows and then did a little eyeliner flick with it today. It's super good and it's nice and affordable too, so love that one. And of course I continue to use a lot of my Big Brow Boost and all that kind of stuff, and like Soap Brow and Clear Brow Gel from Anastasia, but I didn't mention them because I've mentioned them before in favorites, so those are honorable mentions, but this one's like the winner for me this year. I had to pick this one, the Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Waterproof Mascara. Ever since I heard Alana Davison speak about this, and she said, like, her fiance said it was like the best mascara on her lashes, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. But oftentimes when people with gorgeous lashes recommend mascaras, I'm always disappointed. But I picked it up in a waterproof and I was pleasantly surprised. It's so good. I repurchased this one 3 times, I think. It's just got the standard wand that like the Lash Princess has, the Better Than Sex mascara has. Like, this is the one that everyone copies, right, and replicates, but it's a very good mascara, nice and black, gives me the length, the hold, the volume. Don't like the packaging. I would like to find a mascara tube that's a bit more pretty. I like my products to look nice, but it's a good mascara and it's fun, pop of red. So I also have to mention the MAC 85 Sex Pot Lash. It's 3-piece lashes from MAC. I always use just the end pieces, put them on the end to flare out. So pretty, really nice with a little wing. I use these so much this year and they're just a really good, easy lash to put on. When I was doing like Halloween makeup, I would use the big long one, but honestly I always just likes to use the ends. I tried to limit myself with the lip products. There's so many glosses and lip balms I want to talk about, but I am going to only talk about like my standout favorites. This Dior lip glow in Mahogany. It was a trendy color this year. I keep on trying to get my hands on the lip glow oil or whatever. It's always out of stock everywhere, but eventually I will get my hands on it. But for now, I just have the lip balm. Honestly, not the most moisturizing lip balm, but for the color and for more of a lipstick, so good. It's just that perfect, like, I'm gonna put it on right now. I can't see it. It's just that perfect, easy color to wear, but then you get the moisture and the beautiful glow. And the packaging's just super cute. There's so many glosses that I tried out this year that I really loved. I feel like this year was the balms and the glosses, especially with wearing a mask. Honorable mentions, the Shot of Color Lip Oil by MAC, the Power Glasses by MAC, the Tower 28, Lip Jelly, all good honorable mentions. But surprisingly, the drugstore one is kind of my favorite. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss and I have it in the shade Amber. The packaging's first of all so cute, especially for drugstore. Big doe foot applicator and just a nice juicy high shine gloss. Beautiful creamy warm nude. It has hyaluronic acid in it as well, so it really plumps up and hydrates the lips. I have a lipstick addiction. I love buying lipsticks, but let's be honest, the past 2 years we haven't really been able to wear lipsticks, but these are something that I've been able to wear without it moving around. I had it on earlier before I put the balm on. I've been wearing these MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks as a stain. It looks like that very nice natural like French kiss kind of lip. It looks very undone, easy, like you didn't try too hard. I mean, this one I'll go bold because it's a pink. That was my favorite this summer. This is a Billion Dollar Smile. Such a pretty bright pink. I'll quickly mention them to you. Fashion Emergency, Burning Love, Elegance is Learned, and Pretty Please. These colors are my favorite colors from the collection. This formula is the best formula of lipsticks out there, honestly. You can wear them strong, they're very buttery on the lips, they wear very long, but my favorite way to wear these is as a stain. So I just kind of blot it on my lips with the applicator and then just kind of press it into my lips. So highly recommend this formula, and then you just got a stain to wear under a mask, which is nice. My last favorite is actually nail polish from the drugstore. Ever since I discovered these nail polishes, I have not used any other nail polish that I have. Like, I might as well just throw them all out. And I've literally gotten all my friends to use it too. Like, honestly, if I got $1 every time I told someone about it, I'd be rich. So these are the Essie Expressy nail polishes. They dry so quick, which is so nice, but they're not like the quick drying nail polishes where they're like thick and goopy, and you know. And they also wear pretty long. Like, I can get like 5 days with very minimal chips, so I can always look very like fresh and polished and like I have my life together, even though it's just quick dry nail polish. We're not going to the salon. This red is called Seize the Minute. It's a nice deep red. That one makes me feel very classy. My favorite shade is the Crop Top and Roll. It's just a nice nude pink. It's really natural, looks good on everyone's skin tone. I also like Buns Up and then Millennium Momentum. A little bit more gray taupey and a more of a, like a true nude. And then the last one, this has been my favorite fall one, is Notifications On. It's just a nice deep berry, kind of like the mahogany color, honestly. It's got a little bit more of a unique berry. It's not the typical cranberry. It's got a little bit of brown in it. The nice thing about it, even if I'm like running to work in the morning and I'm like, oh no, my nails are like badly chipped, I'll just quickly paint over my nails and like they're dry and I can drive and do my thing. So yeah, really enjoy those nail polishes if I have not said that enough. I feel like this was a very rambly video. It's gonna be a lot to edit for me, but I hope you guys enjoyed hearing all my favorite products from 2021. I'm excited for what this year has for my YouTube channel, playing around with like TikTok and Instagram a bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed my content for this year, and I'm really excited for this coming year. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can follow me along in 2022 with all my videos, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That will all be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Happy New Year!